think is great is that we as a new company are focusing on the end user, and so we're taking the time to get together and talk about those things.
Helping you appreciate what you're doing for the community and what you're doing for the global supply chain and food.
How does this affect the environment? What's the big picture of Corteva?
If you're not familiar with all the products that we make in Michigan operations, learn more about all those products and what they're used for.
This was an opportunity for us to all come together and talk about how our products meet our customers' needs.
Anything we can do to learn about that and focus on it is definitely worth our time.
Whether you're a new hire or been with the company for a long time, I think there's something valuable to learn.
It was absolutely worth my time. Yes, as a matter of fact, I've been thinking about coming back and visiting some of the other breakouts.